Hello everyone, welcome to Live Mathematics. This is Alok Kumar Sinha. Today we will study about algebraic identities, class 8. So we start worksheet 1 and it is based on algebraic identities 1. So first we must know what is an algebraic identities. So an algebraic identities is a statement of equality in which the value of what we put any value of the variable, it holds true for LHS and RHS. Means if we solve LHS and RHS for the any value of the given variable, then it comes always equal. Means LHS equal to RHS. So let us see an example. Suppose that 2x plus 3y equal to 10. So this is a statement of inequality, but when we provide value of x and y, suppose that we provide value of x is 2 and value of y is also 2 LHS, then 2 to the 4 and 3 to the 6. So it comes 10 equal to RHS. But it always not true for x for any value of x and y. If we put another value of x and y, we don't get RHS equal to 10. So it is only true for x equal to 2 and y equal to 2. So this can be called an statement of equality, but it is not an algebraic identity. In algebraic identity, it is always true for any value of the variable. Means x और y का कोई वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो हमेशा LHS और RHS इक्वल रहेगा, लेकिन ये जो स्टेटमेंट है, दिस इज कॉल्ड स्टेटमेंट ऑफ इक्वलिटी. It is only true for x equal to 2 and y equal to 2. But if we see that a plus b का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू a square plus b square plus 2ab, this is an algebraic identity, because if we put any value for a and b in LHS and RHS, we get LHS equal to RHS in all conditions. All conditions means if we put a equal to 2 and b equal to 3 and solve LHS and RHS, it always comes LHS equal to RHS. If we put a equal to 5 and b equal to 6, means any value you provide for a and b, LHS and RHS always be equal. So this is called an algebraic identity. Now we are going to solve worksheet 1 for proving these identities. So in algebraic identity there are some identity. Today we study about identity 1. And it is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. You can put in place of a and b x and y, any variable. We can also write x plus y whole square equal to x square plus y square plus 2x into y. So this is not a matter. You can write anything, but you can remember is this like first number का square plus second number का square plus 2 into first number into second number. So in worksheet 1, question number 1, we have to find the value of 2x plus 5 whole square. 2x plus 5 whole square. So we know that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here in place of a we have 2x and in place of b we have 5. So put the value of a or b in put the value provide the value of a and b of 2x and 5. So 2x plus 5 whole square equal to a square. A square means 2x whole square plus b square. B square means 5 square plus 2 into ab. 2 into a. In place of a we write 2x and in place of b we write 5 and solve it. We know that 2 square equal to 4x square is x square plus 5 square. 25 plus 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 4 5 the 20. We write only constant term and variable, write the variable what is given in it, 20x. So this is the solution of question number 1. Now 1 of 1. Second number question is that 8x plus 3y whole square. 8x plus 3y whole square. If you memorize the formula, you can directly use it. 8x square, फर्स्ट नंबर का स्क्वायर प्लस सेकंड नंबर का स्क्वायर, जो भी है फर्स्ट नंबर और सेकंड नंबर ए की जगह जो भी है उसका पूरा का स्क्वायर, जो भी है बी की जगह उसका पूरा का स्क्वायर, फर्स्ट नंबर का स्क्वायर प्लस सेकंड नंबर का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू फर्स्ट नंबर इंटू सेकंड नंबर एंड सोल्व इट. 8 स्क्वायर 64 एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 9 वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 8 टू जा 16 8 to the 16 3 is 48 and xy, write xy. Similarly, question number 3, 3 by 5a, 3 by question is that 3 by 5a plus 2 by 3b, 2 by 3b whole square. So in place of a we have 3 by 5a and in place of b we have 2 by 3b. Means this is first number and this is second number. You have to square first number 3 by 5 a square, first number का स्क्वायर प्लस सेकंड नंबर का स्क्वायर, जो भी दिया हुआ है उसका स्क्वायर कर देंगे. सिंपल रहे या कॉम्प्लिकेट रहे, फ्रैक्शन रहे, कुछ भी रहे, ठीक है. फर्स्ट नंबर का स्क्वायर प्लस सेकंड नंबर का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू फर्स्ट नंबर. First number is 3 by 5a, 3 by 5a and second number is 2 by 3b. Now solve it. 3 square 9 by 5 square 25 a का स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर प्लस 2 का स्क्वायर 4, 3 का स्क्वायर 9, b का स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर प्लस if we cancel then cancel it, 3 cancel हो जाएगा and 2 to the 4 by 5, or write the numerator and write the product of numerator and product of denominator. 4 by 5 a into b. So this is the required answer. Question number 4. 7pq plus 4ab whole square. 7pq plus 4ab. Sorry, 4ab whole square. So first number is 7pq and second number is 4ab. So first square the first number 7pq whole square plus we are using this identity, first number square plus second number square plus 2 into product of first number into second number. So 7pq square plus 4ab square plus twice of first number and second number. In place of first number we have 7pq, write down, and into second number 4ab, write down it 4ab. And now solve it. 7 square 49, pq square write separately p square and q square plus 4 का square 16, a square b square write separately plus multiply constant 2 into 7 14 4 जा 56 and pqab, write pqab. If all are different variable we only write down that variable. This is the product of PQ and AB. PQ, AB. So this is the answer. Say fourth number. Fifth number. Question number 5. 0.2x square. 0.2x plus 1.5y plus 1.5y whole square. Similarly, we can solve this question. 0.2 square, 0.2x whole square plus 1.5y whole square plus 2 into first number 0.2x and second number 1.5y. So 0.2 square, 2 square, 4, and put the point after 2 digit because this is a square and point is after 1 digit. Then after squaring, we put the point after 2 digit from right, counting from right, 0.4 and x square, 15 square, 15 का square कितना होता है 225 and point is after 1 digit from right and if we square this number है ना, we put the point after 2 digit 1 and 2, point is here, y square, 2 to the 4 into 15, 60 x into y, xy, and put the point, point is after 1 digit and here is 1 digit, so we have to put point after 2 digit, this 1 digit and this 1 digit, 1 2, we put the point after 2 digit counting from right and put 1 0 after that because integral part is 0, there is no integer before point, so we put 0. So this is the required answer. You can write only 0.6 and 6. This is the last question of question number 1. 6. 2m square plus 3n square whole square. So square of first number or square of a. In place of a we have 2m. So 2m स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर, इसका स्क्वायर अलग से देना पड़ेगा, ये मत समझिए कि इसी स्क्वायर में काम चला दें. 2m स्क्वायर, दिस इज द फर्स्ट नंबर, सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट नंबर, यू राइट डाउन एंड पुट a square on it, plus second number is 3n square, 3n square का स्क्वायर plus 2 into first number, what is first number, 2m square, it is given in question, square into second number 3n square, and after solving we get 2 square, 4n square का square, so m to the power 2 to the 4. We have already studied in power and exponent and power is multiplied 2 to the 4 plus 3 का square, 3 square is 9 and n square, so it becomes n to the power 4 plus 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12 m square n square, product of m square n square, write down m square n square, it is the product. So this is the solution of question number 1. You have to use this identity, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, means first square of first number plus square of second number plus square of third number. So now we are going to solve question number 2. Now question number 2, evaluate the following by using identity 1. We have to evaluate by using identity 1. So we have just studied about identity 1. What is it? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now using this identity we have to evaluate the value of question given in question number 2. First, 101 square, 101 square. So we write this as 100 plus 1 square. Split 101 into 100 plus 1. Break कर देंगे and apply the formula. 100 square, first number का square plus square of second number plus 2 into first number into second number. First number is 100 and second number is 1. 100 into 1. Now solve it. 100 square, 1 का स्क्वायर क्या हो गया 1 होगा, और डबल जीरो का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो पुट 40 आफ्टर इट. सो इट इज 10,000. 1 स्क्वायर 1 and 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 and put 20 after 2 200. So this is add this 200 201 and 10,201. So this is the required answer of this by using INT first. Second number question is 52 square. It is 52 square. Now break it. 50 plus 2, 50 plus 2 whole square, and we solve it by using IT1. A square plus B square plus 2AB. This is A and this is B. A square plus B square plus 2 into A. In place of A it is 50, write down, and in place of B it is 2, write down. So if we solve 5 square 25, if square of 5 is 25 and square of 0, put 2 0 after it. 2 square 4 plus 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 50, or 50 2 ja 100, 100 2 ja 200. And add these three number, 204, 2704, 2704. Question number 3. Question number 3 is 8.1 square. 8.1 square. So we write it as 8 plus 0.1 whole square. We put 0 before point if there is no integer. So 8 plus 0.1 whole square. And solve it. A square, in place of A it is 8 and in place of B it is 0.1. So 8 square plus 0.1 square plus 2 into A into B. So 8 square it is 64. 0.1 square, 1 square 1 and put point after 2 digits counting from right. See 0.1 into 0.1, 1 1 is 1 and point is after 1 digit, and in here also point is after 1 digit. So we have 2 digits and product is 1. So we put 1 0 after before 1 and we put the point here. So it is 0.01. 0.01. 0.01 plus 2 8 is 16, 16 1 is 16, and point is after 1 digit counting from right. So we put a point 1.6. Now add these. Look how we add the decimal number. 6 point after point there is 2 digit. So we put 64.00. We write 64.00. 0.01 just below 0.01 and 1.6. 1 is before point and 6 is after point. So we write 1.6. So 16.41, 65.61. So the required answer is 65.61. Add carefully. And question number 3. Question number 4. 203 square. Question number 4. 203 square. So write down 203. So 200 plus 3. 200 plus 3. 200 plus 3 whole square, and solve it as question number 1. 101. This is very much similar to question number 1. So A square, 200 square plus B square, 3 square plus 2 into first number is 200 and second number is 3. Now solve it. 2 square 4, डबल जीरो का स्क्वायर तो 4 बार जीरो में बैठा देंगे. 4 times 0 after 4. 3 square 9 plus 2 2 4 3 1200, 1200. Now add this 9021 41,201. This is required answer. Question number 5. 410 square. 400 plus 10 whole square. Solve it. I left you for it. I left this question for you. Solve it yourself. 6 number. 10.2 whole square. तो write 10 plus 0.2 whole square. 10.2 10 प्लस 0.2 पॉइंट के पहले में 0 बैठा देते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. 10 का स्क्वायर प्लस 0.2 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू फर्स्ट नंबर इंटू सेकेंड नंबर. ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2. ए बी और ए बी की जगह हम लोग नंबर बैठा देंगे जो दिया हुआ है यहाँ 10 और 0.2. एंड 10 स्क्वायर 100 प्लस 0.2 स्क्वायर 0.2 स्क्वायर 2 स्क्वायर 4. 2 का स्क्वायर 4 होगा. और पॉइंट कैसे बैठाएंगे अच्छा समझिएगा. 2.2 स्क्वायर पॉइंट के बाद कितना डिजिट, एक डिजिट है. एंड स्क्वायर करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, पॉइंट स्क्वायर करेंगे तो पॉइंट 2 डिजिट पर बैठेगा. सो वी पुट 1 0 आफ्टर बिफोर 4 एंड पॉइंट 0.4 प्लस 10 2 जा 20 20 2 जा 40 and we put we see that after point there is 1 digit, so counting from 1 digit from right we put the point 4.0. so add these two number 100.00 0.04 and 4.0 keep point just below it. 40.4010 so this is the solution of worksheet 1. In my next video we solve worksheet 2. so this is all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.